Let me share with you how to make what I call a golden egg fried rice. This is a healthier version made with chicken breast that is incredibly tasty and perfect for when you are being mindful about what you eat without giving up flavor. We begin with the protein. Take 200 grams of chicken breast and cut it into small bite-sized pieces. Place it in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, half a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything well so the chicken is evenly coated. Cover the bowl and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to soak up all the wonderful flavors. For the base of our dish, we use 200 grams of cooked rice. Day-old rice is fantastic here because it is drier. Take 1 egg yolk and mix it thoroughly into the rice until every single grain is coated in a beautiful, uniform yellow color. Place a wok or a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil is warm, add the marinated chicken. Stir-fry it until it is completely cooked through and has a light white color. Then remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside on a plate. In the same pan, add another teaspoon of oil if needed. Pour in 2 beaten eggs and scramble them gently until they are just set and fluffy. Remove the cooked eggs from the pan and set them aside with the chicken. Give the pan a quick wipe or a fresh light spray of olive oil. Add the yellow-colored rice to the pan. If the rice is fresh and a little sticky, just keep stir-frying it patiently. The grains will eventually separate. Once the rice is hot, add half a cup of diced carrot and half a cup of diced cucumber for freshness and color. Then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. The garlic will release a wonderful savory aroma that makes the entire dish smell amazing. Now return the cooked chicken and scrambled eggs back to the pan with the rice and vegetables. Gently toss everything together to reheat and combine. For the seasoning, add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. The secret ingredient is 2 tablespoons of a special beef sauce that is low in calories but high in flavor, making healthy food taste truly satisfying. Stir fry for another minute to let all the flavors melt together. Just before you are done, stir in a 1/4 cup of chopped spring onions for a fresh final touch. Serve your fried rice hot. It is a meal that is packed with protein, full of vibrant flavor, and proves that eating well can be an absolute pleasure. It is hearty, healthy, and deeply satisfying.